When you make a mistake, you've got to laugh about it. I just got two little bits of 4x2. Watch the block of wood that I was using to hold the bead open while stuffing the tube and protector tube into the tyre. It falls in without me even noticing. Because I pumped them up to 20-30 psi to set the bead and ride it round the building just to make sure that everything wasn't all wobbly, didn't even notice the block was inside. On the weekend when I dropped the tyre pressure down to 4 psi to do the trial, I noticed a little bump after a while on every rotation. I thought, I'd gone too low on tyre pressure, so I put them up to 5 psi. As the day progressed, I was still feeling the bump. I thought it might have been the tube that I'd used at a protection liner had wadded up into one place. So I thought, well, I'll just keep running until I get back to the workshop and pull it out. On removal of the tyre, I found that there was a block of wood inside. I just couldn't believe my eyes. The block of wood had gone for a ride inside the tyre, done a whole trial, 40 stages. So you have to laugh at your mistakes. I thought I'd do an update on weight, although it's not complete. It'll give you an indication of what we've got to so far. So here is the weight with the bike on the stand and the weight of the stand alone. So with 3 litres of petrol in the tank, also with the steel tank, we're 86.4 kgs. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.